Hello, everyone, and welcome. So, this is the platform I was talking about, the one that the $10 per hour platform. So, this platform pays $10 per hour, as you can see. So, the reason why I've not made any post about it is because I missed their first payout, which was last week. But by God's grace, the next payout I will be able to withdraw because everything is ready. My wallet, everything is ready. So this platform is called Silencio Voice AI. Is a global voice platform that collects real human and voice recording. They use it to train AI in speech recognition, noise, voice assistant, and the rest. So, when you register on this platform, they will ask you to choose your language. So, if you are Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, any language you choose, and make sure you can speak that particular language very well. And if you are in outside Nigeria, you can also choose your own language, your own country language. Choose, and you can also add English as your second language. So when you after registration, let me show you. So after registration, you will see something like this. These are the opportunities. You see speaking Igbo, speaking English, speaking Nigerian accented English. This one is ending soon. So you can choose, let's say, you choose speaking Igbo. When you choose speaking Igbo, let me show you. I've started working on this one already. So I choose and speak in Igbo, which I'm doing. So this is the Igbo I am doing it. So this 350 record is not really necessary. It's not must that you will finish it before payment. No. What matters is the hours. They pay $10 per hour. So what matters is the hours you spend on recording your voice. So when you spend 3 hours, um you earn $30 or so. So what matters is the hours that you spend on this platform. So when you they say you can talk about anything within the topic. So any language you choose, you can talk about anything in that language. After recording, you click on submit. So when you sorry, when before you start recording, they will need to test your mic to make sure your mic is okay and not before you can start recording. So they say minimum recording time is 20 seconds. Once it is 20 seconds, you can click on stop, or if you see want to talk, you can talk to 5 minutes, then you click on stop. 5 minutes is their maximum recording time. So that is all about this platform, and they don't pay directly to bank. Um they pay through crypto. I can't show you that. So but when you click on your earning in this three end dashes here, when you click on your earning, you will see how to get your wallet address, your USDC wallet address. That is the ERC20 on Peak network. So you need to download the Max Meta on Android or Apple. On Apple this thing, because you will use it to set up the network. There is hard work. I would have shown you guys, but I can't. My wallet address is there. Maybe I will try to see if I can create a new account, then I can do a screen recording on it. It was as it it was hard. It took me hours, to set up this thing, to set up the wallet. So you need to set your wallet up, and you also need you also need to download the app, the MetaMask app, because you'll be using it to set up your wallet. So they pay through that network. So I think when you receive your money there, you can convert it to naira or whatever currency you want. So that is how so their payment is this in-app coin, so it will be converted to USD. So these are my earnings so far. These are my earnings, and this 600 and something is still in review. I've claimed some. I've claimed some of the earnings. I've claimed some of it. So that is all about the platform. If you have any question, you can drop on the comment section, or you can send me a DM. And I'll be dropping the link for registration I'll be dropping the link for registration. So that's all about this platform. It is 101 legit. I will not post anything that is not legit on my platform. So whatever I post, it's very authentic. But that's why I said when I receive my payment, I'll make it. But some of you are like, nothing like when you receive your payment, blah 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 blah. Some people was like, so that was, I was like, wait till they happen. So that's all about Silencio Voice AI. It is very legit. People are doing it. If you're on Twitter, you will see a lot of people are doing it, as in people are already earning from it. So please guys, if I drop the link, make sure you register. You need to register, because if they drop your money now, everywhere go just enjoyment. So anyway, I'll be dropping the link for registration. That's all. Thank you.